action anchor Ben Palmer, meteorologist Mark, and last but not least, your in-studio meteorologist, Mr. Paul.
Hello everyone, I'm your anchor Ben Palmer. I'm here with Tampa Bay's WBCNYK WZY2. And we're here on the spot, and as most of you know, Hurricane Irene has already wreaked havoc on Miami, and it's coming north. We have on the spot, live, meteorologist Mark Cover.
This is meteorologist Mark coming to you live. Just well, stay on me.
I am.
Hurricane Irma's here. I'm really shit up.
All right, Mark, can you tell me what's going on out there? How bad is the situation?
Hurricane Irma's putting the whole damn town on shock. Everybody's terrified. As you can see, the winds are picking up. The storm's coming in hot. Follow me. We are now standing at what used to be a neighborhood. As you can see, all the trees have fallen down. Hurricane Irma has really shit.
I'm having trouble hearing you. Are there any people on the streets?
Hey! Are you not doing an interview? Shit, Bob! You scared of Hurricane Irma? Well, I'll tell you what I am scared of is my ex-wife, you know? Oh, shit! Sir, you should probably see Shelly. This hurricane 10 years ago!
We're going to go ahead and move it over to our expert meteorologist, Paul, who's here in the studio tracking the storm minute by minute.
All right, thank you, man. Hurricane Irma came in feeling it hot and hard in the south with some pretty good winds. Coming in Sunday morning though, Tampa Bay, baby, she gonna be feeling it with that storm surge. But it's all right, because at the end of the day, you got your friends and family, baby, and a good old 12-pack of beer. We're here. And then this evening, we'll be riding out into the night, feeling pretty good in the afternoon tomorrow morning on Monday. Back to you, man.
Mark, are you with me?
Hurricane Arlene has ruined life as we know it. Arlene has ruined basketball forever. Ben, can I ask you a question?
Yep.
How do you expect to play volleyball in a pool of water? Hurricane Arlene has yet again ruined another sport. The beautiful sport of volleyball will be played no more. Ben, back to you. This is Weatherman Mark, meteorologist Mark, signing out.
How bad is the flooding? Are there tidal waves? How's the rain? Mark, are you with me?
Man, fuck you, man.
Mark, I'm gonna need you to. We're on live television. And that's all for tonight. Until our next update, we'll be with you minute by minute, all night long, with Hurricane Irene, tracking every step of the way to make sure you're safe. This has been signing out.